baby. Come on. Yeah, I'm trying to get her out. Come on. Come here. Come here.
Sunshine, blue skies. I gotta cry. Minutes supposed to cross.
He just had puppies not too long ago. And I don't know when the puppies were there. But she's harmless. I feed her whenever I'm able to. I see her breasts are filled with milk, so I'm trying to catch her. I don't want to go too fast because I don't want her to get scared of me and run away. So that's why I'm at my distance. She has an eye injury. Comment down below if you know what kind of breed this is. I don't know what kind of breed she is. I'm just curious.
With no strings tying you to me.
I like to do research.
I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not my
beautiful dog. I don't want to get too close and she gets scared and run away. Hi. Don't be. It's okay. Do y'all know y'all live on this block?
Huh?
Do y'all live on this block?
My mother does.
Stop! Get your ass back. Where she stay at?
Well, I can ask my mom if she's seen the dog before.
Because she's pregnant and I don't know where her puppy's at, but she's run around. She almost got hit a couple times. So I don't.
Don't you live right here, baby? Right
yeah, the brick house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, I always pass your house.
Yeah, that's me. Come here, baby. I'm trying to huh?
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken
now, baby.
with no strings tying you to me.
Thank you, dog.
Happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free.
Alright, thank you.
I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. We can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Hey, have fun. I don't want to chase after her or walk behind her because I don't want her to get scared and run into traffic. But she did come to me. She did smell me, so that's opened up the door for her to get to know me. Let her know that I'm not no one trying to hurt her. So these fools in the street, they know they need to drive better than this crap. Go ahead. Oh, she's coming to me. Hey, baby. Come on, get over here. Come on. Gonna get some food? Come here. Baby. Oh, it's okay. Some more? Come here, baby. Well, I have made progress, you guys. I have made progress. She came to me. She let me touch her. She sniffed me. This is baby steps, but you guys, is all I asked for. All I asked for. Now she knows who I am and she knows I'm not a threat to her. You know. Need to find her puppies now. You wanna come home with me? Come here, baby. Come here. Come on. You gonna follow me home? Come on. So you gonna follow me home? All these damn dogs. Now these dogs, whenever you do that, honey, something's wrong with you. These dogs are just don't care. It's a lot of people been losing their homes and been throwing these dogs out on the streets. And a lot of these dogs, they just looking to survive. That's all.
Oh.